Same thing for GJ. Like for GJ, I would literally just wait for it to hit me one of these, or hit me with one of these. Look at the bigger picture, man, because we don't really know. We don't really know what's going on with GJ, to be honest with you. Like this is all a mess. This is all a mess. Like it's GJ is a true mess. So just chill. Just chill, man. Just chill. Just chill. If you want to get greedy, you can look for something in this area right here. For an intraday setup, for it to come into this level and then continue short, but I don't recommend it. I recommend just chilling. Just chilling. Let everything set up for next week.